かかります。かかることは祈ってます。It's gotta be uncorked when we started. We gotta hear what it sounds like with just a header on it. Alright, we're getting close. That looks pretty good. ほら、行きましょう。Awesome! Taka, you did it! You did it, man! You figured it out! Day 3 of the project starting right now, and of course, on time as always. Taka's made it. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. How are we doing today? How's our project looking? Are we getting
good? Yeah, not too bad. We're just about getting ready to button everything up. So engine's in, transmission's in.
Nice.
Yeah, all the hard parts done.
So the plan today, we're gonna get the wiring wired up, get the hoses up, get the fuel lines in, get all the electrical stuff back together.
Yep.
And then we're gonna try to start this thing.
Yep.
Right? And of course, I've already told Taka, don't put the exhaust on yet. Because, you know, we gotta start it up with the uncapped. It's gotta be uncorked when we start it. We gotta hear what it sounds like with just a header on it. So I'm looking forward to that. And then, you were also gonna look at this car a little bit for me too and do a little bit of tuning for me on this. On the jets and some of the other things, because I got a little bit of tuning issues that I've been struggling with. So
yeah, there's a little hesitation.
Little hesitation. So you think some of the jets, maybe if you change out my acceleration, so. that jet, it'll help it?
Yeah, we'll resync the carburetors and we'll change out some jets, go for test drive.
Look forward to another good day. Thank you again, and thanks to Rick so much for the introduction. In fact, you know what I want to do before we even start today? I think it's important. I got a Sonkei blue sticker.
There you go.
From Rick, and I think I should put it onto we should find a place to put it onto the Datsun, don't you think?
Yep.
All my cars got the Sonkei blue sticker on it, so we're gonna do that right now. I think it belongs right here, right?
There you go.
Kid, would you help me put it on?
Of course.
Let's do it, man. That looks pretty good. What do you think?
Looks good.
That's good, right?
Yeah, that's perfect.
You guys now know who Taka is, and I'm telling you, you got a 240Z, you got anything L engine related, carburetor related, anything old school JDM type car. I think you need to talk to this guy if you're here in Southern California. He knows his stuff. He's a good guy. He's honest. He works hard. He's on time. He's not on his cell phone playing around all day. I can go on and on, but good guy. Highly recommend him, man. Check out Kyusha House on Instagram. All right, let's get it done.
Let's do this.
Are we getting close to starting her up soon?
Yeah, pretty soon, yeah.
And you didn't put the exhaust on, right?
No.
Good. Good. Definitely don't need exhaust. We just bled the clutch, the slave cylinder on the clutch, the master to the slave. You're gonna now throw some oil in the carbs, because the Hitachi carbs have oil in them, huh?
There is oil in the pot here, so
yeah.
Put some oil in.
And we're going with the Hitachi for now. That's the original type of setup. We're gonna go with the Hitachis, but maybe one day we'll look at a Weber, triple Weber upgrade for this car.
Yep.
But in the meantime, we're gonna go with this, because that's what we got right now. So, all right, we're getting close. We're getting close. Can't wait. Hora! Right, つきました. Ready to spin it, get some gas up in there?
Yeah.
In that filter? Okay. Here we go.
OK ガソリンちょっとだけちょっとだけだけど来ました。
じゃあちょっと待ってください。
少しずつ。
今度バッテリーですね。古いバッテリーだからな。ダメですね。はい、行きます。
でもガソリンの匂いもうだ んだんしてきてます。
じゃあいきますよ。
はい。
よし。
ガソリンがもうシリンダーの中にいっぱい入ってるんで、
ロックしちゃう。
はい、だからパンパンパンパン音がします。まあ確かに古いガソリンの匂いはしますけど、
ちょっとしてきてますね。
そうですね。はい、どうぞ。
タイミングですかね。
タイミングかガソリンかもう一回ちょっとタイミング確認してみましょうか。再確認すぐできますね。
そうですね。I think we had a little timing issue that was keeping us from starting it. So now we've rekeyed everything, got everything checked out, top dead set. かかります。かかります。かかることは祈ってます。自信あります。今度は言わない方がいい。行きましょう。Taka, you did it! You did it, man! You figured it out. It started. I haven't heard it run in so long. To hear that, and with no exhaust on it, and all this smoke in here again. I love the smell. It's awesome, awesome. The smell of fresh engine. That was great. That makes me feel good. We figured out the timing issue.
Yep.
It was 180 degrees off. We got that corrected, but you're smart. You think about all the things and you have a good approach. I respect that very much.
We both help.
Good job. We teamwork. A little bit of teamwork. Awesome. Yes. ダトさんのエンジンかかって本当に良かったですね。もう高さのおかげですよ。感謝の気持ちを本当にもういっぱいいっぱいです。高さんありがとうございました。Thank you so much, Taka. I am so happy to have my car running again. 忘れる前に2点ほどあります。1点はチャンネル登録よろしくね。押してね。よろしくお願いします。それと新商品の紹介をしたいと思います。これは新商品ではないんだけど、わずかしか残ってないので、Amazon を早めにチェックしてね。本当にわずかしかもう残ってないので、もうこれ以上は作ることありません。ありませんよ。なくなったらもうないっていうことをね、言っていただいたスティーブさん欲しいんですがって、ないものをみんな欲しいんだよね。その気持ちわかります。俺もそうなんですけど、初トレーナー作りましたよ。ヘザーグレーという色なんですけど、これにスティーブ的視点のピンクのロゴと、もちろん袖にサムズアップですよ。これもメイドイン USA だし、質がすごく柔らかくて気持ちいい、すごくいいものなんで、できたバカサムズアップ。このサイズは M です。M サイズ。スティーブは T シャツもトレーナーも M サイズになります。2XL サイズまであるので、アメリカサイズの方でも日本人の中でもご安心ください。フレ文字の初めて漢字とかひらがなでも書いたスティーブ的視点のこのバージョン。後ろにもちろん サムズアップですよ。英語版ですね、英語版。後ろに、ほら、サムズアップです。もう冬になるかもしれないんだけど、この下にヒートテックはどうですか？俺はいつもそういう感じです。フォーミュラと言います。ほら、簡単なので、誰でも、これは、わかりますよね。いいね。240Z、ダットさんといえば、スティーブ的視点じゃないでしょうか？いいね。この色おしゃれじゃない？丸ロゴです。白、黒のオリジナルロゴですね。それぞれの商品が Made in USA、品質が非常に良くて柔らかくて洗ってもそのままのいいクオリティのものを作ってます。ほとんどのシャツは表と裏にも印刷してありますので Amazon の写真をチェックしてね。それと忘れる前に前から大きいサイズ 2XL アメリカサイズのこの 2XL のシャツが売り切りのものも多かったんだけど在庫あります。新商品のステッカー2種類あります。これもできたばかりです。 Amazon であります。これは定番のどの車にでもこれは必要です。パソコンノートパソコンにも貼ってくださいね。サムズアップのステッカーです。黒とピンクのステッカーです。四角いやつ。こういう3種類がありますのでステッカーも T シャツもすべて日本の Amazon にありますのでチェックしてね。ではまた次回までよろしくね。